ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः अन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 160 टिप्पणी where we left yesterday. प्रामाण्यम इति अस्य परमात्वम इति अर्थो ज्ञेयो. Further, so what is pramanyam? Pramanyam means, first you understand this much in simple words. When a jnanam takes place, ayam pataha, praktaha. In this now, whether there is pramanyam or not, means is this jnanam a valid jnanam, prama, or is it bhranti? How will it be known? So for that, different darshanas have different way of thinking. So Vedanta darshana says it is swatah pramanyam. Means that when the jnanam takes place, the pramatvam, pramanyam means pramatvam in that jnanam also takes place through the same samagri. Samagri means all the essential karana kalapa for the karya utpatti. That is called samagri. Everything that is required for the karya effect in the form of knowledge to take place, that same samagri will also give pramatvam. You don't need another samagri. Like we saw the example of water. So Nayayikas, they say paratah pramanyam. In other words, for the pramanyam, they will say anumanam is required. After pratyaksha, they will need another pramana to prove its pramanyam. So this is the topic right now. See that line? Pramanyasya utpattau swatastvam. Pramanyam will be in utpatti and jnapti. Utpattau swatastvam and jnaptau swatastvam. So pramanya utpatti has to take place, and that pramanya should become known. In utpatti also it is swataha, in jnapti also it is swataha. What is utpattau swatastvam? यथा दोषाभाव सहकृत ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री जन्यत्वम. ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री associated with dosha abhava. दोष अभाव सहकृत ज्ञान सामान्य सामग्री जन्यत्वम. So there should be dosha abhava. When dosha abhava is there, then whatever jnana samanya samagri is there, tad janyatvam will be also responsible for pramanya utpatti. So utpattau pramanyasya utpattau dosha bhava sahakrita jnana samanya samagri janyatvam. And in jnapti, what is svatastvam? Jnaptau svatastvam yatha दोषा भावे सति यावत् स्वाश्रय ग्राहक सामग्री ग्राह्यत्वम् इति मूले एव वक्ष्यते इति दिक्. This will be said in Moolam. Here Tippanikar has just brought it earlier. Dosha abhava sati, dosha abhava has to be there, otherwise there is no pramanyam. It will become bhranti. So dosha abhava sati yavat swashraya grahaka samagri grahyatvam. See, the previous one is janyatvam. This one is grahyatvam. Yavat swashraya grahaka. Yavat means all. Whatever samagri that is required, swashraya grahaka samagri, tad grahyatvam is jnaptau svatastvam. In jnanam also it is swataha. So pramanyasya utpatti, pramanyasya jnapti. That pramanya is there and pramanya should become known, both. Now see previous page. So Acharya already said pramananam pramanyam. Pramananam, see in the Moolam first line on 159. Evam uktanam pramananam pramanyam. Pramananam pramanyam, what did Acharya say? How we should understand?
Pramanam.
Pramana. Pramananam means pramanam. So for 6 pramana, 6 prama. Prama pramanyam means in prama the pramatvam swatah eva utpadyate jnayate cha. Its swatah utpatti and swatah jnapti is there. Yat tatha hi. Okay, let's see. Tika. Nanu. परतस्त्व प्रामाण्यवादिनी तार्किके जागृति कथम एवं वक्तुम शक्यम इति अतः. Somebody, Nanu is some other person is there. He says there are people who are paratastva pramanyavadi. Paratastva pramanyavadi, the Nayayikas, Tarkika. Paratastva pramanyavadini Tarkike Jagrati, when they are awake, means when they are around, how do you say it is swatah pramanya? Katham evam vaktum shakyam iti yataha tathahi. तथाहि स्मृति अनुभव साधारणम संवादी प्रवृत्ति अनुकूलम तद्वति तत्प्रकारक ज्ञानत्वम प्रामाण्यम. स्मृति अनुभव साधारणम. Pramatvam will be there in smriti also and anubhav also, because we have yathartha smriti and yathartha anubhava, both. Both types of jnanam, smriti and anubhava sadharanam. In both of them, samvadi pravritti anukulam. Samvadi pravritti means supported by other pramana also. There is no virodha with other pramana. That is called samvadi. If it is virodha with other pramana, it will be visamvadi. Samvadi pravritti anukulam. And tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatvam. This is yathartha. So yathartha jnanam, whether it is smriti also or anubhav also, that is pramanyam. He will do padakritya of this much now. Pramanyam means always you should remember pramatvam. In this chapter, pramanyam means pramatvam. प्रमा का प्रमात्व, जैसे घटस्य घटत्वम, प्रमायाः प्रमात्वम. इच्छा वृत्ति प्रामाण्य अति प्रसंग वारणाय ज्ञानत्वम इति. In the lakshana it is given tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatvam. Why jnanatvam is given? He says so that lakshana doesn't go in ichha. Ichha vritti pramanya ati prasanga varanaya. In ichha, whether there is pramanyam or not, we don't know. But somebody may extend it, so it is eliminated by jnanatvam. Brahme tannirasaya tadvati iti. Tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatvam, so it doesn't go in Brahma. Because Brahma Lakshana, what is Brahma Lakshanam? Tadabhavati tat prakaraka anubhava is ayathartha, which is Brahma. Smriti anubhava sadharanam samvadi pravritti anukula pramanyam. Smriti anubhava sadharanam. It should be both. It can be either. Sadharanam means it can be either. Smriti also will have pramanyam. Anubhava also will have pramanyam. Samvadi pravritti anukulam anuswara. Pramanyam. Tadvati tat prakaraka jnanatvam ityartha. So he explained the basic structure. Padakritya is done. Nanu evam bhute pramanye kim swatastvam. Okay, in this pramanya, what is swatastvam? That part you have not explained yet. Na tavat swotpadyatvam atmashrayat iti yataha. It cannot be swa utpadyatvam. Swa utpadyatvam means swena eva utpadyam. If that is the case, then there is atmashraya dosha. So now Siddhanti says, Tacha jnana samanya samagri prayogyam natu adhikam gunam apekshate. Swataha means not swa utpadyatva. Remember, jnanam will not produce pramatvam. That samagri which produced jnanam, which that same samagri will produce pramatvam. This is the Veda. Ghatagyanam will not produce pramatvam in Ghatagyanam. That samagri which produced Ghatagyanam, that same samagri will produce pramatvam. That's why he says, Jnana samanya samagri prayojyam pramanyam. Natu adhikam gunam apekshate. But it does not expect anything additional, like another anumanam, etc. That is called swataha pramanya. So the samagri remains the same. And samagri does not mean ghata, aloka, etc. Samagri is in the form of sakshi. So, because it is sakshi bhashya, see, we saw yesterday in Nyaya Darshan, Anuvyavasaya Jnanam will tell what is the nature of Vyavasaya Jnanam. Because Anuvyavasaya Jnanam will have Vyavasaya Jnanam as its Vishaya. In case of Vedanti, the Jnanam will become Vishaya of Sakshi. So once Sakshi has illumined, then I know it is Pramanam. In this way, Pramanyam is decided. टीका ज्ञान जनक सामान्य सामग्री अतिरिक्त कारण प्रयोज्यत्वं परतस्त्वं नैयायिकादि अभिमतम निषेधति. According to Nayyayika, what is paratastvam? ज्ञानजन्य अज्ञानजनक सामान्य सामग्री अतिरिक्त कारण प्रयोज्यत्व. The ज्ञानजनक सामान्य सामग्री is there. Tad atirikt, you need something different now to produce pramatvam there. So that requires separate samagri. Pramanya janaka samagri is different from jnana janaka samagri. This is Nyaya thinking. So that is Nayyayikadi Abhimatam Nishedati. Natu Adhikam Gunam Apekshate. This Pramanyam Adhikam Gunam na Apekshate. It does not need any additional qualifier you call or any other additional quality, any additional attribute. None of this is needed. Pramamatre anugata guna abhavat. So 2 points are made here. One is in all prama, one anugata guna means one special factor or quality which is there in all, there is no such thing. Anugata guna is not there. And not only that, if they say Nayayikas that each prama, pratyaksha will have something vishesha, anumanam will have something vishesha. In all kinds of jnanam, prama, one anugata guna may not be there. But in pratyaksha, something vishesha is there. That will decide its pramanya. In anumanam, something vishesha is there. That will decide its pramanya. Like this. Siddhanti says, CT का ननु फर्स्ट पूर्व पक्षी ननु प्रमा मात्र इति उक्तम अयुक्तम previous line let us see prama matre anugata guna sattve praman abhavat ityah. In prama matra, in all types of prama, that there is one anugata guna present, anugata guna sattve, in that there is no pramanam, praman abhavat. ननु प्रमा मात्र इति उक्तम अयुक्तम प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाम गुणस्य सत्वात्. He says, okay, in all prama, one guna may not be there. But prama matre iti uktam ayuktam, that is inappropriate. In pratyaksha pramayam gunasya sattvat, in pratyaksha prama, there is some guna, gunasya sattvat, iti ashanka nirasaya aha. Napi pratyaksha pramayam bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarshaha. In pratyaksha prama, bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is not there. Means in every pratyaksha prama, just because there is bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha, then only it is pramatvam is not correct. Are you all understanding what I am talking?
Yes, sir.
In prama, see what is said. In pratyaksha prama, bhuya avayava indriya sannikarsha. For example, let us say there is ghata. So when I see ghata, bhuya avayava sanni, bhuya means maximum part of it I should know. Then I will say this is prama. But that is not the case. Sometimes you see very little portion, like this ghata, I can see one part. I cannot see behind part, I cannot see bottom part. And if it is closed, I cannot see top part also. But still, we get pratyaksha jnanam. So, bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is not the guna for pratyaksha prama. That guna is not anugata in all pratyaksha prama. See tika. Ukta gunasya anugatatvat. If somebody says this guna is anugata in all, त्याह रूपादि प्रत्यक्षे आत्म प्रत्यक्षे च तद अभावात्. In रूपादि प्रत्यक्ष and आत्म प्रत्यक्ष, भूयो अवयव इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष अभाव is there. Maximum avayava, its jnanam, is not taking place. भूयो अवयव इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष अभावात्. In rupa, for ghata rupa, if you see little portion and you know it is brown, you say ghata is brown. Kapisha or not kapisha, let's say rakta. So you know it from some portion. You don't have to see the entire pot or maximum portion to know what is the rupa. So in rupa pratyaksha, bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is not there. Similarly, atma pratyaksha, bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is there.
No, Swamiji.
Why?
Atma is not Chakshuladi Pratyaksha.
Okay, it is indriya pratyaksha or not?
No. Mana Pratyaksha.
So according to Nyaya, mana is indriya. They have 6 indriyas. Mind, they call it as sixth sense. Mind is sixth sense. So then it will have bhuyo avayava indriya pratyaksha. No. Because Atma doesn't have avayava. Atma has indriya pratyakshatvam, but Atma does not have avayava. Parts are not there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Tadabhavat. व्यतिरेक व्यभिचारम उक्त्वा अन्वय व्यभिचारम आह. What is व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार? What is व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार? What is the point in having class? If you all have to just sit there and I have to talk and nobody answers.
रूपादि प्रत्यक्ष अभावः भूयो अवयव इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष अभावः.
No, just tell me what is Vyatireka Vyavichara.
यदभावे तदभावः.
Who gave this answer? What is Vyatireka Vyavichara?
कारणाभावे कार्यसत्व.
कारण अभावे कार्य सत्वम. This is Vyatirek Vyavichara. What is Vyatirek Sahachara? कारण सत्वे कार्य सत्व.
कारणसत्त्वे कार्यसत्त्वे.
कारण अभावे कार्य अभाव.
What is Anvaya Vyavichara? See, either these things you have understood or you have not understood. mean giving some answer is not good. What is Anvaya Vyabhichar?
कारण सत्वे कार्याभावम.
कारण सत्वे कार्याभाव. What is Vyatireka Sahachara?
कारणाभावे कार्याभाव.
This is Vyatireka Sahachara. What is Vyatireka Vyabhichar?
कारणाभावे कार्यसत्व.
Karanabhave Karya Sattva. What is Anvaya Vyabhichar?
कारण अभावे कार्य अभावम.
What did I
Car-
ask?
अन्वय सहचार.
Anvaya Vyabhichara. What is Anvaya Vyabhichara?
कारण अभावे कार्य अभावम.
What did I ask? Okay, understand this clearly. Anvaya Sahachar means Karana Sattva Karya Sattva. Anvaya Vyabhichar is Karana Sattva Karya Bhava. Vyatireka Sahachar means Karana Bhave Karya Bhava. Vyatireka Vyabhichar is Karana Bhave Karya Sattvam. Now you see Tika. Vyatireka Vyabhicharam Uktva. What is Vyatireka Vyabhichara that Mula Vyakhyakar already said? Vyakhyakar said Vyatireka Vyabhichara. Vyatireka Vyabhichar means Bhuyo Avayava Darshana is not there, but Rupadi Pratyaksham is there. So Bhuyo Avayava Darshana Abhave Rupadi Pratyaksham. This is Vyatireka Vyabhichar. Now he says Anvaya Vyabhichar he will show. Anvaya Vyabhichar means what is he going to show?
कारणसत्त्वे कारणाभाव.
Karana Sattve
कार्य अभाव.
Karya Bhava. So what is the Karana here and what is the Karya here?
भूयो भव ये भूयो व्यतिरिय सन्निकर्ष is कारण and upadi pratiksha and atma pratiksha is karyam.
That is first one. Now the second one we are seeing. So Bhuyo Avayava Darshan Indriya Sannikarsha is Karana. Karana is present, but Karya is not there. Karya is not there in which case? See further. Sati api tasmin pitaha shankhaha iti pratyasya brahmatvacha. Sati api tasmin. Tasmin sati api. Tasmin means Bhuyo Avayava Indriya Sannikarshaha. Even when Bhuyo Avayava Indriya Sannikarsha is there, pitaha shankhaha. This jnanam takes place. This pratyaya is bhranti, but Brahma does take place. So this is अन्वय, सहचार और व्यभिचार.
व्यभिचार.
Vyabhichar. And first two examples, Rupa Pratyaksha, Atma Pratyaksha, was Vyatireka Vyabhichara. See one number tippani on that page. Guna iti shasha. What is guna? So this, because he said guna, so guna he gives as bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is the guna in pratyaksha prama. Bhuyo avayava indriya sannikarsha is guna in pratyaksha prama. भूयो बिहि अवयवैहि सह इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष रूपो गुणः प्रत्यक्षत्वावच्छिन्न प्रमाणं न संभवति. सिद्धांति would say भूयो बिहि अवयवैहि सह इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष रूपो गुणः, with भूयो अवयव इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष रूप गुणः in प्रत्यक्षत्वावच्छिन्न प्रमाणं. Pratyakshatvaavachinna prama means what kind of prama it will be?
Pratyaksha prama.
Pratyaksha prama. Simple, very simple question. घटत्वावच्छिन्न पदार्थ और द्रव्य. घटत्वावच्छिन्न द्रव्य will be what? घट.
Khatadi.
Why adi? Only ghata. Ghatatvaavachinna dravya will be ghata only. Patatvaavachinna dravya will be what? Only pata. Because their avachedaka is only patatva. रूपस्य आत्मनश्च अवयवा भावेन तयोः प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञाने अव्याप्तेः. रूपस्य आत्मनश्च अवयवा भावेन. For Rupa and Atma avayava bhavena. How Rupasya avayava bhavena? He says Rupa is Nirupa. Rupa is not Dravya. Rupa is Guna. Guna doesn't have avayava. So Rupasya and Atma is Dravya, but Atma is Niravayava. So Rupasya Atmanasya avayava bhavena tayoho pratyaksha jnane अव्याप्ते है. एंड इन पीतः शंख इति अत्र अतिव्याप्ति. सो लक्षण अव्याप्ति इन रूप एंड आत्मा, अतिव्याप्ति इन पीतः शंख. फर्दर अतएव अन्वय व्यतिरेक व्यभिचारात् एव. ड्यू टू दिस टू व्यभिचार, व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार also shown, अन्वय व्यभिचार also shown. Therefore अतएव न सल्लिंग परामर्शादिकम अपि अनुमित्यादि प्रमायाम गुणः. So प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा गुण part is eliminated. Now अनुमान प्रमाण. In अनुमान प्रमाण अनुमिति is the prama. In anumiti, what is the guna which is there in all anumiti? Purvapakshi says there is one. Siddhanti says there is none. Na sallinga paramarshadikam. Linga paramarsha, and linga should be sadlinga. Sadlinga means sadhetu. If it is sadhetu and there is paramarsha, then that jnanam will become prama. According to Purvapakshi, he says if it is sadhetu, sadlinga means sadhetu, and paramarsha is there. What is paramarsha?
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट
पक्षधर्मता ज्ञान.
पक्षधर्मता.
व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानम परामर्शादिकम. अपि अनुमित्यादि प्रमायाम गुणः इति न सिद्धांति से दैट इज आल्सो नॉट ट्रू। टीका आदिपदम योग्यतादि संग्रहार्थम। हियर आदि is given, paramarshadikam, yogyata also is required. Siddhanti shows vyabhichara in this also. Sati api sallinga paramarshe gandha prag bhava avachedena. गंध अनुमिते अप्रमात्वात् अन्वय व्यभिचारम मनसि निधाय व्यतिरेक व्यभिचारम दर्शयति। सति अपि सल्लिंग परामर्शे। So again, अन्वय व्यभिचार first, then व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार next here. Sati api sallinga paramarse. Even when sad hetu is there and paramarse is there, gandha praga bhava avachedena gandha anumite. When there is gandha praga bhava, means gandha is absent at that time, and tad avachedena, somebody will do gandha anumanam and gandha anumiti. It will be aprama. So there where gandha praga bhava is there and gandha anumiti, where will this happen? In the dravya, in the prathama kshana. Because in the prathama kshana utpannam dravyam kshanam nirgunam nishkriyam cha tisthati. Utpannam dravyam will be for first kshana nirguna and nishkriya. So there is no guna. But if somebody in that gandha praga bhava will do gandha anumanam, that there is gandha. Why? Because it is prithvi. So this is the anvaya vyabhichara. Anvaya vyabhichar means, what is the lakshana for anvaya vyabhichar?
कारण सत्वे कार्य अभाव।
कारण सत्व कार्याभाव. व्यभिचार शब्द you have to remember means abhava. Anvaya means both bhava. Vyatireka means both abhava. In both bhava, there is abhava in the second one. That is called anvaya vyabhichar. Anvaya sahachar means bhava bhava. Anvaya vyabhichar means bhava abhava. Vyatireka sahachar means abhava abhava. Vyatireka vyabhichar means abhava bhava. And you just put karana and karya. Mathematical thinking is like this. Other thinking is you will try to remember this, remember that, then again after 3 days, same question, and between these there will be confusion. So this is Anvaya Vyabhichara. Anvaya Vyabhichara is that there where Gandha Karanam is there, but Karya is absent. Karya should be absent. That is Vyabhichara. So here what is the Karanam?
पृथ्वी
What is the karanam here?
Prathamakshana.
Karana here is Sallinga Paramarsha. Sallinga Paramarsha is there. That's why he says Sallinga Paramarshadikam is there, and then Sati api Sallinga Paramarshe means Karana Bhava. Gandha Praga Bhava Avachedena Gandha Anumitehe Apramatvat. So Karana is there, Prama is not there. It is Aprama. This is Karya Bhava. You understood what is the point he is saying? Guna, specific guna, is the Karana. In the Pratyaksha, what is the specific guna? Bhuyo Avayava Darshana. That Bhuyo Avayava Darshana, if it is there, still there is no Prama. And Bhuyo Avayava Darshana is not there, still there is Prama. So that guna doesn't work. Here it is Sallinga Paramarsha. Sallinga Paramarsha is there, it is Aprama. So Sallinga Paramarsha did not become the guna for Pramatva. And now he will say Asallinga Paramarsha. Sallinga Paramarsha is not there, and you end up having Prama. So Sallinga Paramarsha is not the criteria for Pramatvam. This concept has to be very clear. I hope it is clear now. So Anvay Vyabicharam Manasi Nidhaya Vyatireka Vyabicharam Darshayati. Vyatireka Vyabichar will be that Asallinga Paramarsha is there and Prama has taken place. Asallinga Paramarshadi Sthale api Vishaya Abadhena Anumityadehe Pramatvad. But because Vishaya Badha has not taken place, therefore Anumiti is Prama. Like the Drashtanta he has not given Drashtanta here. Like where there is a Dhuli Patala, dust. From the rising dust from far, someone thinks this is Dhuma. Then that person has Linga Paramarsha. Actually, it is Asad Linga, it is Asad Hetu. Dhuma Vanni Hetumat Bhava is there, not the Dhuli Patala. But from that, if somebody does Anumanam, that there is Vanni, Parvato Vanniman. Because he took Dhuli Patal as Dhuma. And he ended up there and he found Vanni. So Linga is wrong, still you got Vanni Prama correct. This is Vyatireka Vyabicharam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.